Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll show you how to create a baseline in Modern Requirements Next Gen to capture a snapshot of your requirements at a specific point in time. Open the Baseline module from the Azure DevOps side panel. A baseline is a frozen snapshot of your work items at a specific moment in time. It gives your team a reliable reference point for audits, compliance reviews, release gates, and change tracking. Instead of manually documenting what was agreed upon at a given stage, a baseline captures it automatically and preserves it for future comparison. Here, you can create folders to organize your baselines by project, sprint, or release. Click New Folder in the toolbar to create one. You can then move baselines into folders to keep everything structured. To pin any baseline for quick access, star it, and it will appear in the Favorites tab. Now, let's create a new baseline. Click the plus New Baseline button in the toolbar. The Create Baseline wizard opens on the Details step. Enter a name for your baseline. This is required. Optionally add a description to give context about what this baseline captures. Click Next. The wizard moves to the Select Work Items step. Here you have 3 ways to find work items. Select Query to load work items from a saved ADO query. Choose your query from the drop-down and click Run Query. All matching work items load in the results table below. You can also select Search to find work items by ID or title. Type in the search field and matching results appear immediately. Furthermore, you can also select Created Date to filter work items by the date they were created. Pick a date and click Apply to load matching results. From the results, check the boxes next to the work items you want to include in this baseline. You can select individual items or check the top checkbox to select all. Once you are happy with your selection, click Create. Your baseline is now created and opens automatically on the View tab. Here, you can see all your selected work items listed with their ID, work item type, title, state, revision ID, and revision date. The toolbar on the View tab gives you several options to work with your baseline. Click plus Add Work Item at any time to add more work items to this baseline. The same Add Work Items dialog opens. Find items by query, search, or created date. Select them and click Create to add them. To remove a work item from the baseline, select it from the grid and click Remove in the toolbar. This removes it from the baseline only. It is not deleted from Azure DevOps. Click Open Work Item to open the selected work item directly in Azure DevOps. Now, let's talk about Set Version. Select any work item from the grid and click Set Version in the toolbar. A panel opens showing all available revisions for that work item. You can select a specific revision to pin that work item to a particular historical version rather than its current state. You can also use the As of Date field in the toolbar. Select a date, for example, 5th May, and click Apply. This automatically sets all work items in the baseline to the revision they were at on that date rather than their current revision. This is extremely powerful for capturing exactly what your requirements looked like at a specific point in time. Click Clear Date to remove the date filter and return to the latest revisions. Once you have configured your work items and revisions, click Save in the top right to save all changes to your baseline. And that is how you create and configure a baseline in Modern Requirements Next Gen. Thanks for watching.